all, this is Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. I am Kashi Shetty here with the latest news. Volcano eruption prompts Indonesia evacuation, heightens tsunami risk. So Indonesia evacuates thousands as Mount Ruang erupts, raising tsunami threat, highlighting region's vulnerability to the volcanic activity. Where is Indonesia? What are the countries close to Indonesia? You can see that Malaysia, somewhere Philippines, both these are countries that are very close to Indonesia. What is the capital of Indonesia? Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. So here we have a mountain which has been called as Mount Ruang. So this has, as I already mentioned, it has previously been erupted 5 times. That is the reason why urgent evacuation measures have been taken. The eruptions have resulted in a towering ash column and raised the alert level to the highest tier. Fallen volcanic rocks have damaged houses that is present on the nearby island of Taguldang, which has necessitated swift evacuation procedures. Mount Ruang, Mount Ruang, Mount Ruang. Been telling this name, right? So with the aspect of looking at it from the examination view, you'll have to focus on the location. What are its characteristics? What was the type of composition of your lava? Eruption, what is the type of eruption that occurred? What was the reason for explosion? All this becomes important. So Mount Ruang is present in the North Sulawesi province of Indonesia. So this covers the location part. What about its characteristics? So it's a stratovolcano which is known for the shape. I would say the shape is conical as well as it has got steep sides. What about the volcanic activity? It has experienced regular volcanic activity typical of stratovolcanoes. What about the composition of the lava? Lava is viscous, it is sticky, doesn't flow easily and contributes to its steep profile. What about the type of eruption? Stratovolcanoes like Mount Ruang often produce explosive eruptions. What is the main reason for this explosion? Eruptions occur because of the gas buildup in the magma chamber that is present beneath the volcano. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description that's present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.